So dear students, I have already given you one tutorial based upon how to make a square. So now second tutorial, how to make a rectangle. It's nearly same. What you have to do, I am using the new Scratch, but procedure is same. So first of all, you know very well in this new Scratch, I'm not able to see, okay, pen is there. Sometime when you are opening the Scratch like this, if I am opening the Scratch, and as discussed earlier, you will not see pen. Now just see in the blocks, I'm not able to see the pen. So do click it here and click on extension and an extension. Just wait. I'll zoom out. You could see here pen. So pen is been added. So pen is very important. Pen down, because whatever we have to make means up, that lining what we have to make will be made with the help of pen. Suppose first of all pen down, then color of the pen whatever we feel. Set pen color to, let it be, I want somewhat this color is okay. Then set pen color to whatever the choice. Then we have to make a rectangle. So what we have to do, motion, and in motion you could see here move 10 steps. Then here we could write, let it be 200, and then now turning again, you know in square as it was 90-degree, we have to just take this turning of right, and we can change it to 90-degree. Then again, now what we could do, just to uh, make our work easier, right click, duplicate, and drag it down, because you know rectangle is of uh, four sides we have. So 1 2, again duplicate, okay, move 200, 90, 90, 93 times, one more, and the same way 1 2 3. So again duplicate. So now this is wrong, sorry, so we will delete it. 190, yes, 200, 200 is 3 times, so we will add one more, move 200, 90. Now we will do the changes here, 100, 90, then 200, 90, and then 100. Okay, 200, 90, 100 means, because in a rectangle two sides are smaller comparing to other sides. So let's see how it does. So we will fix all the commands here. You could see rectangle is been made. So what I could do, in my pen command there is one erase all. I can click on erase all here, and then the previous one will be deleted. Okay, one more command I could add in my motion, turn 15 degree, I'll again move it to 90. So now see, nothing is being changed, because what happened, once I have added one more command, turn 90 degree. So due to that, the sprite which was changing its position, now it's coming back to the original position from where I have started. So dear students, I hope it is clear to you how to make a rectangle. These are the commands, these are different blocks, and I have used two blocks. I have used motion block and pen block. And from erase all, what it means, whenever I'll start, when I'll click on this, it will erase the earlier figures, whatever figure is been drawn here. Okay, pen down means the pen along with the sprite is down, which is allowed to make any figure. Set pen color to like purple color. I can use any color, it depends, like green color suppose I want to do. If I'll click, you will see green color. Then move 200 steps. I hope it is already clear. Last time when we have done that scare, it is already you, it has been clear to you. Move 200 steps, that 200 steps this sprite will move like this, it will move. Okay, turn 90 degree. You know that rectangle and square, we have to make the line for rectangle or square, it should move 90 degree, then only it could move. Then four times, because two sides, two sides of in rectangle, the two sides are larger in comparison to other two sides. So this side and this one, as you know, these two sides are greater. So here 200, this 200 and this 200, more larger size. Okay, and this 100 and this 100. So I hope it is clear to you how we had made the rectangle. So now you will all make square and rectangle, and just click the pic or take a screenshot, those who don't have computers, and send it to me. The roll numbers who have to send to me are from roll number from 20 to 30. These roll numbers will send me the screenshots, and on the WhatsApp group I'll wait for your work, and I want to see both. You have to make rectangle and square. So this is your assignment. So I hope it is clear to you. This is your assignment. So just practice this, making a rectangle and a square. So I am finishing my this tutorial here only.